Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nursery to Varsity, and in today's tutorial we will see what is a dictionary. So basically dictionary is a data type which stores a data in a key value pair. So to understand this concept more clearly, we will take an example. So let us suppose there is a list numbered 1 username which stores the username of a employee. So for example, let us suppose the username of employee 1 is Ramesh123. The username of employee 2 is Suresh123 in inverted commas, and the username of the employee 3 is let us suppose Ram. Okay, now, and in the list number 2 we store the passwords. So the passwords of individual user is, so the password for Ramesh is, let's say, ABC. The password of Suresh, let's say, DEF, and the password for Ram is GHI. Okay, now we know that the password of Ramesh is ABC and so on, but how we map those things? Now let's say if we want to develop a portal in which a user has to enter its username and password. Okay, so how we can map the username and the password? Like it might take a tedious logic for us to develop. So in this kind of scenario where we can see there's a relationship between two entities, so at that instance we use a dictionary. Okay, so if we write like this, for example, ID. Okay, and to define a dictionary we use a curly brace. The syntax of a dictionary is this type. This is the key and this is the value, and they both are separated by with a colon. Okay, so if I write like this, Ramesh123 colon ABC. Okay, Suresh123 colon DEF. Okay, and Ram colon GHI. Right. So in this we can clearly see that the username of Ramesh is mapped with its password, so it will be easier to us. For example, if I print ID of employee, like we want the password of, let's say, Ramesh, so we will use a function named get. In this function we will just pass the key. So for example, if we want to pass a password of Ramesh, we will just give Ramesh23. Okay, and if I run this program, see, the answer is ABC. Isn't it simple? So in a nutshell, when we have to use a dictionary, like when there is a relationship between two entities, and at that place we have to think for a dictionary. Okay, and there's a way to convert this two list into a dictionary as well, and for that purpose we have a special function known as zip, which will map the first element of list 1 to the second element of list 2. Okay, so it depends on us. If we, like, for example, let's say z is our, let me comment this. Okay, z is our variable, or we can say object. Zip. If you pass list username at the first place and the pass one at the second place, that means the username will be the key pairs. Like for example, the elements of the username list will be the keys, and the elements of the pass one will be values. Okay, and to print this, so basically it's a zip object, so we have to typecast into a dictionary. Okay, now if we just run this program, sorry, z, if we run this program, see, we are getting a dictionary. Okay, so we have, till now we have learned what is a dictionary. We have learned how to map keys and values using a function zip, and what is the importance of dictionary. Okay, now we will see certain more functions of dictionary. Okay, now dictionary has a, let me uncomment this id amp, because we will use this. Okay, now we have a set of functions from here, like for example, keys. This will return all the list of keys which are in our dictionary. For example, if I run this, See, all the keys has been returned. Okay, and instead of keys, if I use values, it will returns all the set of values. Okay? And if I use item, like there's a function known as items, what it will does, it will return all the key value pairs. See, all the key value pairs have been written. What if we want to access individual keys at a time, like for example in a for loop? So how can we use for loop with a dictionary? So it's pretty simple. As we know, dictionary returns two things, like k and value, keys and value. So we will use k comma v n id, like our dictionary dot items, right? And if we simply print k comma v, we'll get our answer. See, Suresh ABC, Suresh TEF, and Ram GHI. So this is how we can use dictionary with a for loop. Now we will see what is the ordered dictionary. So basically, the dictionary we have made, it's an unordered dictionary, as it's not necessary that the elements will pop up like in the way we have entered. Okay, the sequence may be same or may not be. So ordered dictionary ensures us that the elements will pop up in the same way that they have entered. And this ordered dictionary can be imported from a module named as collections, and the name of the ordered dictionary is ordered dict. So how can we use that? For example, if we just define object O, okay, we will just pass our dictionary into this. Okay, and if I print this O, see, I'm getting an ordered dictionary object like this. So that's the only main difference. Where the order is like our priority, then we have to use ordered dictionary. Otherwise, the functioning is same. Okay. So this is all about today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I've tried to cover all the major topics of dictionary. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can also follow us on our different social media handles, for example, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you have any queries regarding today's tutorial, you can just mail me at nerdtoware@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning.